same train.
Is it moving?
Yeah. Moving, Joe.
So those are designed to go through water. They got their exhaust systems high. See that black pipe coming up? They go through water. They're shipping over to Ukraine. See how they're put together with bolts? The doors,
Yeah.
I think it's bolted. That way, if you gotta replace it, I think it's quick replace, you know?
Yeah.
Unscrew it, put the new one on. Oshkosh, from what I understand, makes a pretty good vehicle.
Not gonna lie, this is my lucky day.
Yeah. I've never seen one of these trains, you know, with the...
I've seen them on YouTube, just not in real life.
With the military on them, yeah. Notice how they're a little squattier, a little shorter than the other ones?
Yeah.
A little beefier looking.
Yeah.
Windows, look like bulletproof windows.
I wonder what that little hole with the slant thing is for. You know what I mean? Like,
Where?
you know, it's open in that.
Oh,
Is
that's
that
the
you
rear.
can shoot out of there or something?
Well, it looks like it carries something in there. Yeah.
Yeah. But why not cover that up with something? You know what I mean? Why is
So
that?
nobody throws something in there.
Oh, now here's a different version.
Yeah, it's without that.
Yeah.
Those look more like pickup trucks to me.
Yeah. It's in the middle of the road now.
There's a different version yet. No, that's the same one. I take it back. I thought it was a little bigger, but it looks about the same.
I wonder how much money that represents there.
Well, of course. But Oshkosh also listens to the military. What they want. They give them what they want. They had a video on about Biden and talking about closing down Afghanistan. It's going to take at least a year. And take at least a year. He said, and if we don't bring the equipment home, we probably over 7 months. Why would we want to leave all the equipment over there for that? Exactly. Yeah, and then he does it in what? 3 days? 4 days?
I think I did. Minnesota. Sorry, I am just. So this is University Avenue, Joe. So whenever we say we're going to Hilldale, that's right here. That's a little shopping. You saw the Capitol
And you saw the trains. I've never seen a train like that with that many on it myself.
yeah, that is impressive.
That's coming from Oshkosh.
I wonder if you're right, if they sent a whole bunch over to the Ukraine, and these are replacement ones, or are they sending these fresh ones over there?
Well, they got to go to, I would think, where would they ship them? They would ship them by the East Coast, or not the West Coast.
I would think the East Coast.